As fellow homeowners, we know your roof can represent a significant and important home investment that deserves only the best. Thanks for considering an Owens Corning roofing system. The combination of the Owens Corning brand and the Platinum Preferred contractor you're working with can deliver a material difference for your home and peace of mind for your family. Our network represents an exclusive group of top roofers, each of whom meet our strict eligibility requirements. We're proud of the products we make and the professionals who install them. And when your neighbors, friends, and family see a brand new roof on your home, we want you to be proud too.
Hi, I'm Steve Suddeth, the owner of Guardian Roofs. We're a local company servicing the Southern California area for over 30 years. My company employs 15 people among 14 roofing crews, which allow me to get to your job much sooner. As proud members of the Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Preferred Contractor Network, we can offer you Platinum Protection Roofing System Limited Warranty. Visit us at guardianroofs.com to learn more.